Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The question number 3 is simplify the first three terms in the expansion of following. Sub question 1 is 1 plus 2x whole bracket raise minus 4. Now let's see the solution. First we write the question that 1 plus 2x whole bracket raise minus 4. Now here, by using binomial theorem for any index, one plus x whole bracket raise n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 upon 3 factorial into x cube plus going on. Now in this formula we put x is equal to 2x and n equal to minus 4. So the next step will be is equal to 1 plus minus 4 into 2x plus minus 4 in bracket minus 4 minus 1 upon 2 factorial into 2x the whole square plus going on. On simplifying further, we get 1 plus minus minus 4 into 2x, that gives 8x, then plus. In the numerator we have minus 4 into minus 4 minus 1, that gives minus 5 upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into 2x the whole square, so that gives us 4x square plus going on. The next step will be 1 minus 8x, then minus minus we get plus. Now 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4. Then 2 into 5 10, 10 into 4 40 x square plus going on. So in this way we get first three terms as 1 minus 8x plus 40x square plus going on. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.